A very joyful morning to respected sir and ma'am. Welcome to the experimental universe of science. Myself Sultan Sulman Pulde, with my co-partner Mohammad Rizwan Patel from the Darman Abdullah Mukadam English School, Mahad, studying in 8th standard. Now I would like to welcome you to the concept of our model, which is totally based on hygiene and cleanliness, or you could say waste management. Waste management and waste disposal needs the actions required to change the waste from its inception to its final disposal. Waste can be in many different types. It could be in solid, liquid, and gaseous too. Waste management deals with every type of waste, whether it is industrial, commercial, household, organic, biomedical, then radioactive. Many types of waste are there. In some cases, the waste can pose a threat to human life. Our aim is to reduce such effects on our environment and the human health. The large portion of waste management deals with municipal waste, which is usually created by industrial, commercial and household-like activities. In Mumbai, the per day garbage is nearly about 7,025 tons, in which 5,025 tons is the mixture of three wastes like solid and liquid and some part of gases. Mostly the gases is not, that's like solid and liquid, and the leftover 2000 is just the debris, the unwanted stuff. So then proper waste management is important for building sustainable and livable cities, but it remains a challenge for many developing cities and countries. A report has shown that effective waste management is relatively expensive, comprising up to 20 to 50% of municipal budget. Operating such essential system of municipal service, we need integrated systems, perfect mechanisms which should be sustainable, sufficient by money and socially supported. According to the Intergovernmental Panel of Eliminate Change, IPCC, the municipal solid waste is expected to reach up to 3.4 GT by 2050. But policemen and lawmakers can reduce such a rate of waste production by making laws of fining. Many types of laws are there, you know that. Then comes the measurement of waste management. It includes the measurement of integrative techno-economic mechanisms, good disposable facilities, export and import controls, and the last, optimally sustainable designs for the upcoming products that are going to be produced in the future. Now I would like to tell you to listen from my co-partner Mohammad Rizwan Patel about waste management.
Now I would like to introduce you to the working of my model. First of all, we have placed three separate dustbins outside the compound of each house. First one is for wet garbage and the other one for dry waste. The dustbin containing dry waste has metal plates attached to it. So when we will throw the garbage, any heavy object such as glass, bottle, etc. will vibrate and go down. Here on the underground of the road, we have used a conveyor belt. As we will throw the garbage will fall onto the conveyor belt. Any metal item in the waste will get attracted to it and get separated. The remaining waste such as paper, glass will be carried further and sent for recycling. Hence, the collected metal shall be sent to the recycling center for production of new metal. Here, there will be a connection of pipelines which shall carry the wastewater from the sewer of each household. The wastewater shall be collected and sent to the water treatment plant in order to get pure water through process of filtration. The filtered water can be used for washing cars, washing bikes, electricity generation, watering plants, etc. For separating light waste such as paper beside the magnet, there should be a wind fan attached beside. In case if any clog occurs, we have an inbuilt declog machine that shall remove the clog. Here we have a multi-purpose waste vehicle that shall carry the waste from the dustbin. From the
dustbin, the waste is carried out by many vehicles like this garbage service vehicles, and the last, when the waste is collected, it is sent to the recycling centers to recycle the waste and give to these people to use in many different purposes.
If there are any minute particle or dust remain on the road, it shall be cleaned by the vacuum machine, and the process which is any foliage of any leaves, trees leaves, it will fall on the road and left on the road, it shall be cleaned by the brush and collected into the scoop, and after cleaning process it shall be cleaned. The cleaning vehicle will automatically sanitize the entire area